Hello my dear student, how are you all? I hope you must be fine at home. Student, you know about that your unit test 3 third exam is going to come. So you have to be ready. So today we will revise the chapter is practical geometry and the data handling. So what we had discussed in practical geometry earlier and what we had discussed in data handling earlier. So today we will revise all the things which we had done before. So practical geometry, so we have constructed different kind of quadrilateral on the basis of different topics. So we do not have much time to construct all the types of quadrilateral. That is why I am telling you only the basic concept of the geometry, practical geometry. That is, first one is you have to draw the rough diagram of that. You have to draw the rough diagram of that. If you want to make any kind of quadrilateral, then first of all you have to draw the rough diagram of that quadrilateral. Then after that you have to draw the base, then step by step construction is very important. So please try to solve all the construction, try to construct all the quadrilateral which I have given the different types. Now let's take the question of data handling. What is the how many questions of data handling? There are two types of question can be made. First one, collecting the data. Second one, the arranging the data. Collecting the data and the how to represent the data. If you collect that, after collecting the data, if you want to represent that data, so there will be different kind of to representing the any kind of data. So first one is collecting the data. First one is collecting the data. First is collecting the data. Collecting the data. I am going to take one example regarding T20 World Cup. So since 2007 to 2018 there are 7 or 8 World Cup had played. Now first World Cup I am going to write the winning team name and the year, which year that team had won. So first one is India. If you talk about the India had won the T20 World Cup for the first time in 2007. If you talk about the Pakistan, Pakistan had won the T20 World Cup for the first time in 2009. If you talk about the England, England had won the T20 World Cup for the first time in 2010. If you talk about the West Indies, West Indies had won the T20 World Cup for 2 times in 2012 and 2016. And now last one is, if you talk about the Sri Lanka had won the T20 World Cup for the first time in 2014. So this is the list of the winning team of T20 World Cup, and this is the year which in the winning team of this is the year of winning team. So from this information we can get easily that which team had won the T20 World Cup in which year. So we can easily say yes, India had won the T20 World Cup in 2007, Pakistan had won the T20 World Cup in 2009, England had won the T20. So this is the arrangement, this is called the arrangement of data. Now I am going to discuss about the data. We have to arrange it. If you want to arrange the data in pie diagram, so first thing in pie diagram you have to understand about the central angle. So central angle is must. Central angle, the first thing is central angle is number of component upon total number of component into 360. Number of component upon total number of component into 360. If we talk, can we take one example? Yes, we can take one example. If you can take write class and write frequency, and write central angle. CA लिख देता हूँ. I can write CA, central angle. Class 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, and 30 to 40. Frequency 10, 20, 30 and 40. If you add all the frequency, you get 100. If you want to find central angle, then theta is equal to number of component upon total number of component into 360, 10 upon 100 into 360, you will get 36 degree. Now next one, if you talk about 3 theta is equal to 20 upon 100 into 360 is equal to 72 degree. Now next one is theta is equal to 30 upon 100 into 360 is equal to 108 degree. Now next one is theta is equal to 40 upon 100 into 360 is equal to 144 degree. So this is the central angle. This is the procedure to finding the central angle for the pie diagram for showing the data. So make a circle and make all the angles which we had find. All the angles which we had find. So dear student, this is the procedure to finding the central angle for the pie diagram. And pie diagram is the way to showing the data which you have collect from another way. So try to solve all the question which is in your textbook. This was a simple revision video for you. Thank you.